Hey guys, I'm Jacket59 here, and I will go upstairs. I'm gonna go there. It's sunny summer, and I'm gonna take care of it. The bird, this bird. See it over here? Yeah, so sunny and summer. Oh, this trap hole. Oh, yikes. What is that bird gonna do? Wait, where? Oh, hey. I know you are over. Ah, come on. Gotta be kidding me. Running. Really? Really? That's Wayne. This is our bird in the house. I wonder what this is. Trapola. Oh, there. You see it. This bird. Wait. What? I knew it's gonna be crazy. A little bit. Ah, there. That's weird. Oh. Wait. Not this again. Ah, come on. Where? Wait a minute. It's for the TV. Ah, what the hell? What? Ah, shit. Gotta be kidding me. Okay. These things. That's nothing. It's only paint. Wait. I knew it's gonna be crazy. Ah, shit. Ah, shit. Well, that couldn't got worse. Oh, come on. Come on. Yikes. Oh, please don't run away from me. Okay, I'm gonna go under this. Oh, it's covered in water. Yeah. Ah, shit. That scared me. Well, yeah, it'll be continued. Okay. All right. That's trouble. Wait. Really strange. What? Wait. Oh, yeah. Very funny. Tried flying. Equipment Studio. Wait. You're inside this? You thought I scared you, but nope, did not. Wait, I gotta take care of it. Wait. What? Shit. Can't hold the camera. Oh, looking at the camera. Oh, look at the smile. Wow. I never knew this bird was gonna be crazy. Ah, God, it opened his mouth! Oh. Turning around. It's great. This is funny. What? You keep opening your mouth. There isn't. Oh, you're looking at the camera. Oh. What? Oh. Oh, hey. Oh. I don't think. No. Oh, looking at the camera? Oh yes, you are in this sheet. I will wait for you. I'll wait for that guy. Wow! God! Looking at the... Hey, where are you going? Ah, you're looking at the camera. Do you? You do. Hey, wait a minute. Ah, hey. Looking at the camera. You're looking at the camera. What? Oh, hey. Well, I could get anywhere. Here he is back again. It's still opening his mouth. What is it? Hey, buddy, take a look at the camera. Oh, come on. It's under your sheet. What? I don't get it. Ah, shit, I don't get it. Wait a minute. I gotta get any worse than that. Oh, shit. Oh. Are you not gonna look at the camera again? Because I should. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take care. Gotta take care of it. Well, just with this bird. Yeah, you see it over there. Over there. What? I'm not scared. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. There. Bird. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'll just move a little bit. Wait, what? Hey! That was just a fly, which is bothering me. Guys, thanks for watching. And have a good time. If you have an animal at your house, please make sure to tell me in the comments. Okay, so bye. But before I end, oh, here comes that again. Okay. Note, guys, I will take some hours first, and then I will finish the video. So, yeah, that bird gotta be crazy. Something. All right, I'm gonna have some hours. Hey, wait. Oh no. Wait, what is this? Oh gosh. I told you this is gonna be crazy. Okay, now I gotta finish the video.